Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable extensions or add-ons in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Extensions add extra features to your browser, but sometimes you may want to temporarily disable an extension instead of removing it completely. Disabling an extension is useful if it is causing problems or if you want to improve privacy without uninstalling it. So let's get started. First open Tor browser, then click on the menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select extensions and themes in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, you will find all the extensions or add-ons that are installed. Simply turn off this one toggle switch to disable the extension and turn on the toggle switch beside any extension to enable the extension. That's it. You have successfully enabled or disabled an extension in Tor browser. Remember, enabling too many extensions in Tor browser may reduce your anonymity. It is always recommended to keep only necessary extensions enabled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.